Welcome back to my channel friends, Yummy Bites by Sunita. Welcome to baking series part 4. Today's video is all about understanding different kind of chocolate cakes sold in the market. Devil food cake, chocolate truffle cake, Belgium cake, chocolate mud cake and varieties others. So let's understand what is the difference in each different cakes. So the first one I'm going to talk about is basic chocolate cake. This is a light chocolate sponge, mostly flavored with cocoa powder. Best paired with chocolate ganache or chocolate buttercream. So the second one I'm going to talk about is devil's food cake. Now this cake is really dark, rich, moist and dense in texture. It uses cocoa powder and an extra bit of baking soda for fluffy cakes and loose crumbs. Basically, chocolate version of angel's food cake. The third one I'm going to talk about Belgium chocolate cake. Now this cake is made with Belgium chocolate. Chocolate originated in Belgium. It's a fine quality couverture chocolate. This cake is rich in flavor and creamy flavor, which sets it apart from all other types of chocolates. I'm going to talk about chocolate truffle cake. In this there's a layers of chocolate cake which filled and frosted with chocolate ganache. Now the next I'm going to talk about is Dutch truffle cake. In this we use chocolate layer cake sponge filled with whipped chocolate ganache and frosted with truffle. But here we use Dutch processed alkaline cocoa powder and truffle made with Dutch chocolate. Now the next I'm going to talk about is chocolate mud cake. A chocolate mud cake is richer, denser, moist and fudgy version of chocolate cake. It has dense texture and ideal for chocolate cravings. It's also similar to flourless chocolate cake and taste is like a combination of brownie and fudge. Usually, chocolate mud cake recipes call for chocolate bar along with butter, which is being melted instead of using cocoa powder. This is usually eaten plain like a brownie cake, but of course, there is no rule for no frosting. And the last, death by chocolate cake. Now this is an ultimate chocolate cake. It is rich brownie kind of sponge, usually dense from all the butter, chocolate and cocoa powder in it. It is then frosted with chocolate ganache or truffle. Also decorated with chocolate shavings, but that's optional. So it has a triple time chocolates, hence it's called death by chocolate. Basically, all are chocolate cakes. The proportion of ingredients is what makes all the differences. And there is no single standard recipe. People have created in time and again in their own ways. So guys, today's video has come to an end. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.